Today I'll show you how to set up this passive income stream for yourself so you can earn money no matter where you're from and even if you have never made money online before. It doesn't require any investment from your side and it doesn't involve any social media platform. If you want to see how to make this strategy work, then make sure to follow me step by step till the end of this video. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel Emia's World with notifications on so you won't miss any future video to come, since I'll notify you whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright guys, so the website that we'll be going to use today is this one here called Combin.com. When you come over to this platform, you'll be able to see that this is an Instagram marketing tool and content planning solutions that grows your Instagram audience, so it will get people who use it more followers, no fake followers however, but real followers. So this is not some site where you can buy just followers. It will instead get you real organic followers and engagement in exchange for money, of course. And don't worry, because this is the platform that will be paying us today, so you'll not need to pay them to grow on your Instagram or whatever. Right here you see some of their features that this platform has to offer for its clients. As you can see, what can you do with Combin? Attract new Instagram followers, plan and schedule Instagram content, manage multiple accounts simultaneously, communicate with your audience, you can track your activity and growth, and so on. There are over 60,000 users enjoying growing their Instagram audience with them. So now let's get right to the point. What do you need to do when you come over to this platform is that you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and you need to search and find affiliate and click on it. And it's going to take you over to this page. So today we are going to promote this as an affiliate, and that is why I said that this platform will actually be paying us today. The best thing is that I'll show you also a place where to get traffic very easily that has nothing to do with a single social media platform. So we'll not be using Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and so on. We will not be using any of this platform to get traffic, because I'm going to show you another site soon enough, so just stay tuned for that. Anyway, something worth mentioning here is that this site offers 50% commissions to its affiliates, and this is far more than most websites have to offer. You can generally expect commissions to go up to 30% at most, and here you have 50%, so you can already see why this has such huge potential. Below you'll see how much money you can expect per sale. This site offers two pricing plans, the personal one and the business one. And as you can see, if just one person that you refer to here bought the cheaper personal plan, you'll still get paid $30. Meanwhile, if someone went for the business plan, which is more expensive, you'll get $90 of profit just from a single customer, which is huge. And as you can see right here, if I refer, for example, 50 person and they go for the personal plan, that's $1,500 made. If they go for the business plan, that's $4,500 made. So the money accumulates very quickly with just a small amount of customers, and you'll be able to get those numbers because I'll show you a hugely popular traffic source later on that get millions of visits every single month. Even if you get and use some traffic source that doesn't get that many visits, the point is that you don't have to refer that many people in order to earn a lot of money. And this is all mainly thanks to the very high commissions that this website has to offer. In order to sign up to their affiliate program and grab that link, you have to click on the Apply Now button right here, and it will it will take you over to this page where you need to put your email, your first name, last name, website. If you have one, your country, as you can see, it works everywhere in the world. You need to put a password to agree to the affiliate terms and click on sign up. Now, what happens from here, guys, is that you have to wait a while before you get accepted into their program. As you can see here, it could be up to 24 hours in order to get accepted. But once you get accepted, you get an email from them, and when that happens, you're going to grab that affiliate link and you will start sharing it. So now it's time for me to show you the next platform that you're going to use today. The platform in question is called docs.google.com. And what you can do is to go over to Google and you can search actually for how to grow on Instagram and make your own research and create your own article, just like I did here. And then you don't worry, it's going to take you like 20 minutes at most. Now here is how this guide fits into this strategy. You'll want to leave your affiliate link in your own guide somewhere near the end. As you can see right here, you can write something like use the #1 Instagram growth tool. What you can do beside the above steps is to try out this Instagram growth tool, and then it's very important to leave your affiliate link at the end of it. So you're going to leave all these steps here on how to grow on Instagram, and then you're going to get people to check out the last step, which is also the step that I showed you right now. When someone reads your guide, they will not only gain value from it, but they also learn how to actually grow on Instagram. They will be able to click on your affiliate link, check out Combin, and in case they decide to pay the platform, you're going to get paid. Now, before we get to the traffic source in question, you'll need to save this guide to your computer, and you need to go over to File, then on Download, and you can download this as a PDF or as a document. Once you do so, you'll want to head over to the traffic source in question, which is called slideshare.net. This is a website where you can find a lot of articles that people share that you can read, and we'll of course be sharing our Instagram growth guide. Something very important about SlideShare is that it gets a lot of traffic every month. According to SimilarWeb, it's getting over 92 million of people who are visiting this website, and in the previous month even more, like 140 million of visits. Another fantastic feature of SlideShare is that you don't need to be some professional article writer in order to be able to upload your article here. So you can be a complete beginner, upload your Instagram guide here, and you're going to get thousands of views on that very article. And you can see that these articles here got millions of views. Now, in order to be able to upload that guide here, you'll need to click on the sign up button in the upper right corner right here, and then you're going to log in with your new account. After that, after you log in, you want to click on the upload button right here. You're going to open up the guide from your PC by clicking on this button, and after that you're just going to add a title to your guide, to your article, a description. You're going to select a category, you're going to set it to public so everyone can see it. Then you're going to add a few tags there, and you're going to complete a captcha before publishing it here on slideshare.net, and that's it. Now thousands and millions of people will not be able to see your article, your guide, so you'll be able to make money, completely passive income from there for absolutely free and with no skills required. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked this strategy. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thank you for watching.